Why don't they seem that keen? Because it's moving. That's alright, isn't it? I thought they'd be all over this. But they're not. Where is it, chickies? Yeah, chickies. They're really not keen, are they? I thought they'd go mad for that. Have a look at it. Check it out. 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 Go on, go for it. Go on, Hyacinth, have a look. What do you think? Really not keen, are they? How weird. Cost me $2.99. They really don't want to know. Why don't you want to know? Freaks them out. Give it another go. Peck it again. They like the string more than they like the food. You lot are funny, aren't you? Where do you lot? Golf ball's still there then? Did you? That's funny. Huh? Who did a poo?